Hey everybody, Mark here, and I wanted to let you know how tired I am of spam. That's right, guys. If you do have a website or if you do have a Facebook page or any other social page on the net, you are going to get hit with spam. It's just the way it is. There are so many companies out there that are going to try and gather your data. They aggregate it from the web, whether it's a phone number, an email, or even your address, and then put it into their database, sell that database information to others, and it just gets out of control. So what I found is I found a way to manage some of that spam here with a company called Unroll Me. Now, this is not a paid ad or a sponsorship. I just love the service here. I don't get anything for it, and it's free. They do have a little mission statement of here of why we don't charge for this amazing service. That is good to read there. They do some data selling and information along those lines there, but it isn't data about your email. So let's go ahead and check this out and see how this is going to work here. Again, this is a free service. We're going to go in. You have to log in with your particular Google account or Gmail account. So let's go ahead and see how it works. Clean up the inbox. We are going to sign in with our Google account because that is where my email is. Email is this one right here. And then we're going to allow that. Each time that you come in here and log in, you will have to do it. So there's three things that this does here. It allows you to get rid of all the junk. It allows you to roll it up so that it compiles all of the emails that you might still want, but not necessarily want to see individually into a group. Like for instance, my eBay. I have some items that have sold on eBay here, or even this Action Alert Plus right here. I like to see some of the information in the newsletters that I get, but I don't necessarily see it all the time. So what I would like to do on these is either unsubscribe or roll up, and then I can also set it up with a category. Okay, so let's go ahead and check in our email box and see what we got going on here. So we're gonna edit the subscriptions up to the top right here. Now there's a few different things that I have right here. There's like communications from individuals. I want to keep these in inbox because that might be something here. Andrew and Apple Pie, this is a music subscription, which also is part of this video here, Andrew Apple Pie Music. There you can check him out as well. But on this, I don't necessarily need to see it all the time. So I want to add this to a roll-up, and what it's going to do is it's going to group all the messages that I have in roll-up that I get, if I get them daily or weekly or monthly, into one particular email there. I don't know what this is. This is perfectly clear. So guess what? You're going to get unsubscribed. Bonanza accounts, that's another location that I sell at. I am going to keep this in inbox. Card pool, I want to add to roll up because I do get information from there like cards, gift cards, and so on to pass on to my clients. That's a good one. I'll put that link in the description in case you are looking at this one here. InfoCircleArts.com, I don't know them. Bevel Dental Care, I want to keep an inbox. That's where I have to go to the dentist, unfortunately. Daytona State College, DME Delivers, I don't really care. Bye. So this one here, SBDC, don't know what that is. So guess what? You get to go. Pop Sockets, I bought you. I don't have it on my phone anymore. Bye. Share Site, don't know. Stock Twits, I do kind of like to keep this in there, so it is something, but I am going to add it to the roll up here. The Street Partners, we're going to add to roll up. And Asus Web Storage, it's great. I don't need any of the information that you have here. Perfect. All right, we're going to go into Inbox and just double check everything then here. We're going to add to roll up for Adobe. Same thing with IMAP. I don't really need to see that every day. I'm going to keep my Amazons there together, and also the Amazon Seller Services. Robinhood Customer Support, we're going to add to roll up. Animoto, I'm going to keep that in there because that's where I get my videos from. Backblaze Team, that's how I back everything up. I'll put a link in the description for that, just in case you're coming across here and you see all the little things that I'm using. Hey, jump on board. Let's see it. So now, if you are going through and you want to change something, you can actually come back in. Like if you want to undo what you did, you can come in here and search. The easiest way to search, I always do the Control F, and then I'll type in like, I don't know, let's type in Airbnb. There it is right down there in the bottom. I don't necessarily need that. I've unsubscribed to it, and yeah, that's how it's going to go. But if you want to change it, you can come in here and keep an inbox, and vice versa. If you want to get rid of it, you can come in here and go to inbox and then unsubscribe or add to roll up, whichever you prefer there. Okay, so once you get it, you can search in your inbox if you want to, like I'm doing for this demo, just to see what the daily roll up is. On June 27th, a couple of days ago, the roll up was eBay, Bonanza, One Republic, Southwest, Looking Sharp, Microsoft. So this is how it will come in. It'll show like a glance at what that email looks like. And then if you want to read the email that you got, guess what? Come in here and click it. We'll look at Let's look at this one here. It's kind of neutral and nothing in there. Click and save. Let's go to this one. Now you can see the actual email from Southwest that I got here, and don't have to actually see it in your inbox, because when you look in my inbox, it is a nightmare. This is what my unread ones look like, so I have to go through here. So another tip that I want to tell you is when you are trying to combat spam, there's a cool couple of tips that you can search to find spam in here. So I always type in unsubscribe, and I do this right here, and you're going to see everything that has some type of an unsubscribe in there. And it looks like, just by glancing at it, Amazon sales goals, it looks also like solicitations, which is exactly what I want to get rid of. Even these pop sockets, like I was telling you just a minute ago, perfectly clear. Yoast, share site. So guess what? I can actually come in here and take these. I enabled keyboard shortcuts on there. I press Shift F3, or you can hit the delete button. And if you want to search it again just to make sure everything is gone, if it's not, then check this box again and we'll delete it one more time until everything is gone. Now the other option you can do when you are searching this is there's a button over here that typically shows up that says select all emails. I know these are all junk, so I'm just going to get rid of them. So when I check this box, you're going to see select all conversations that match this search. So we're going to do that because I know it's junk. If it has unsubscribe in it, I really don't care because it's not what I want to see. So look how much cleaner that got. It got us our inbox cleaned up a little bit like that. And now that those are gone, that's it. We're pretty much good. I am going to go ahead and just get rid of everything on here, and then we'll go check it out again in the unroll up there just to get a little bit of overview. So the roll up is an amazing tool that you can use. It is mobile. You can use it there, and it has a swiping method. It works really great here. It gives you at a glance everything: unsorted, entertainment, shopping, and travel. So if you are looking in here for categories, you can actually add some things to categories to keep yourself organized. What this is going to do, if you get another email and it automatically puts it into the deleted or spam folder, so you don't have to do that, and it sends out the unsubscribe notification to those companies that are spamming you. And the other way that you can stop spam from happening is 2 or 3 different ways here. My phone number is this right here. Now, unfortunately, since I do photography for work, I have my phone number in a lot of different places. As of the end of the July here, I am going to be stopping that. I'm going to be, with the exception of Google, putting my phone number on, not on the websites where they can be aggregated, and then get rid of that. So as long as I have, I know I'm still going to have it on here, but if I have it on here, then we're still going to have that issue of getting spam, but it is going to reduce it down. The other thing that you can get rid of is the email address. My email address is mark@markdickinson. If I put this in quotes, I'll double check that to see. So not having, we got it right there on the blog page. So not having that on the web right there will also prevent people that are using email crawlers to grab your email, to find your email and then spam you with that. So that's a very good way to get rid of it. So if you do have your email on the internet, you are going to get some spam from it. That's how they do it. They crawl, they grab the email, and then they start spamming you based off of their search tools there. So guys, I hope you appreciate this here. If it does reduce some spam for you, if you like it and you want to try and download it, all the links are in the description. Also, please like, subscribe, and come back for more. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see if I can answer some of your questions. I absolutely love this service. It is free. Read their terms of service if you're not okay with it. I don't think they have any extremely crazy terms in there, so it is something that will work well for your business as well as mine. And I constantly use it. Every week we go through it and combat that spam there. So thanks again, guys. I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.